Hello, my name's Becky and I'm the Educational Producer for Arts Connect. The Creativity in the Classroom programme is a programme of professional learning for primary teachers to help them to have the skills, confidence and knowledge to deliver an inclusive, diverse and exciting art curriculum. We've developed the Sculpture CPD workshop to help teachers to courageously and confidently engage with 3D materials in the classroom, encouraging their pupils to really experience different materials, different techniques and to build their design and 3D making skills. We know that teaching sculpture can be quite daunting in the primary classroom for lots of different reasons, and what we want to do is to help to navigate some of those complexities and make teaching sculpture enjoyable and purposeful. On the day, we'll spend some time thinking about actually where are teachers now in terms of their experience and confidence delivering sculpture within the classroom. We'll think about lots of different techniques and get our hands dirty trying out traditional and contemporary 3D making skills. We'll also start to think about design processes and how those can help pupils to be imaginative and curious and also innovative with the materials and techniques that they use. We know how important it is that primary teachers feel fully equipped and excited to teach different aspects of art. From this day, you're going to get those core skills, resources and understanding to go back to your classrooms and deliver bespoke projects that can be adapted for your pupils. You'll leave the workshop with a clear idea of how sculptural techniques and teaching strategies can be implemented in your classroom. You'll have the resources and the ideas to try new and different things, and hopefully the confidence to not only teach sculpture in an exciting way, but also start to share those skills with your colleagues.